what's your kind of story that led up to working in insurance?
So I'm from Spain,
Okay.
originally from Alicante, and my family comes from agriculture, so generations of farmers. And I was a kid, but I very much remember after a drought, how the process of insurance went from, and especially the moment of having the loss adjuster coming. It was very difficult moment because, my father was claiming for an amount of loss, and the adjuster had a different opinion.
Yeah.
So that kind of stuck to me. Then I move on. I studied engineering. I was in the satellite industry for a long time, but I always, as I knew I was not going to be a farmer, or at least a good one, I really wanted to do something for the farmers, because it's a very tough life, and at the same time, farmers and agriculture are the backbone of our food.
For sure. Yeah.
So I say, even if I cannot continue the family business, I want to do something for this sector.